In this video, we're going to learn how to remove background from video in After Effects. Start by making sure you have your clip in the timeline. Then go to the top menu bar and click on the Roto Brush tool. Now, double-click on your clip in the preview window. This will open the Roto Brush view. Sometimes the Roto Brush window opens on the side of your preview panel, and other times it switches the entire preview. If that happens, just switch back to the composition by clicking the Composition tab next to it. Now in the Roto Brush window, start dragging over the subject in your video. After Effects will automatically detect the area. To change the size of the brush, hold the Control key on your keyboard, then click and move your mouse up or down. This will make the brush bigger or smaller. If you want to move around inside the window, press the scroll wheel and drag. Sometimes After Effects selects more than you want. To fix this, hold the Alt key. The brush will turn red, and now you can erase unwanted areas from the selection. Carefully paint over all the areas you want to keep. The left side of the screen will show a preview of your selected object. Once you're done, go to the Effects panel. Here, you can adjust the feather, reduce chatter, and shift edge settings to get a more realistic cutout. Now, press the spacebar on your keyboard. After Effects will begin tracking the selection across your entire clip. This process may take a few minutes depending on how long your video is. When it finishes, click on the Freeze button to remove the background of your video. Now, as you can see, only your subject is visible in the preview window. That's how you remove background from video in After Effects. Thanks for watching.